Replit lets you write and run code directly in your browser, no downloads, no setup. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to run code on Replit, whether you're a beginner or just testing a quick idea. Alright, so you can do this in two ways. You can either create your own project or you can just use the one from templates. So you just go from templates. It can be found in here, just for some reason it's missing for me. You can just type it in if you wish, just /templates. And then you go to Python or any other writing language you wish. And let us just press on Remix right here and just name it any way you wish and press Use Framework. All right, and you'll be taken to where you can actually code. And here, let me show you. So let us open up this little interface in here and let's go to main Python. And this is your coding space. And in here, you can type some kind of command for coding. For example, you can just type in print, right? Print, and then insert a command. Go like this. And then we type in, for example, some kind of phrase. Hi, all. This is going to be your little command. And then you just drag this like that. And in your console, you can just make it like this so that you see both and just press on run entry point. And now, as you can see, the command is successfully initiated, and we have our all command ran. And you can run, of course, other commands in here. Just make sure to choose the project and have this little editing interface. That's it, guys. If this helps, like and subscribe. See you soon.